Let's start with element of a set represented by this E-like symbol. This tells us when an object belongs to a particular set. For example, if we have a set A equal to set of 1, 2, and 3, then the statement 2 is an element of A, means that 2 is a member of set A. Similarly, in the set B equal to cat, dog, and rabbit, the statement dog is a member of B shows that dog is an element of set B. Note that to the left of the symbol is an element, and to the right of the symbol is the set. If we cancel out the symbol, that means the object is not an element of the set. This symbol is used to show that something does not belong to a particular set. For example, if we have a set A equal to 1, 2, and 3, then the statement 4, not an element of a set A, means that number 4 is not part of the set A. In other words, 4 is not an element of that set. Similarly, if set B equal to cat, dog, and rabbit, then the statement elephant, not an element of set B, tells us that elephant is not a member of set B. This concept is just as important as knowing what is an element of a set because it helps to define the boundary of a set. By knowing both what belongs and what doesn't, we can better understand and work with the different kinds of sets.